Hi, my name's Fox, and today we're creating a horse farm, and we're going to ride on some horses, and comment down below which horse do you think is your favourite. And also make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video. And I bet you don't know that I have other animal farms, and I'm really trying to get some different animals in the rabbit one. So nobody's allowed to scare all the animals away, and I'm not letting anyone into any of these farms. And part of this video I'll be showing you how to make iron golems, and I'll show you what they look like in a minute. But right now I'm making a horse farm. It's really made out of an old pig farm, and this is my abandoned village. Now, what isn't here? Then now I'm going to be making an iron golem, which you don't know what they look like. And also I'll show you what I look like. And the iron golems are going to be put in a ditch, because I nudged them all in a ditch. And now you can see my village. And this is actually an abandoned village. And I'm going to make an iron golem here. But first, and I bet you're asking what's that little grey thing over there. And I'm going to show you. It's an iron golem. And also its weakness is this. And I'm also going to show you how to make one. But this is not the easiest part. What a husk! You naughty skeleton, you naughty things. And these are all my iron golems. I bet you come out in daytime. But this is your weakness! Iron golem attack! Sorry about that, those husks are just coming out in day. This is really going to have to be burning. Iron golems attack! And anyway, it's this. So you do this with some iron blocks. Then flip here, and then you've made this an iron golem. But also they can be pretty aggressive to anything. So this is why I'm replacing all the walls with metal bars, but they can't break through metal bars. So, I bet you're thinking what I'm doing right here. And I'm going to be crushing iron golems in Minecraft. And I'm going to sneak into my house, and they can't fit in. And I bet you're wondering what I've in here. And I made my own wolf pack. So I'm going to be summoning loads of wolves right now. Hey, no! No! Wolfie, no! Sorry, that wolf just wants to be outside. Then I'll let you go outside. And that's their habit. No! I'm going to make them sit inside. No. I'm going to make these my wolf pack. Sorry about that. My wolves are just... And also, I bet you don't know that they can go through walls. But my next idea, which is Operation Get a llama instead. So that I can go back. I bet you know that the next thing is going to be pretty crazy. Going to be doing this. I'm getting my very own dolphin. And also keep this video a secret. And also, I've got a secret. My brother's a policeman, but don't tell anybody else. But also going to be adding a dolphin. Say dolphiny dolphin. Get up. But anyway. And also, you don't know that in some videos I'm going to be having my friends in. But the only one I can have in the moment is Caleb. And I really think I should just start killing animals. But these dolphins. Dolphin. I need a dolphin. Once upon a while. No. And anyway, I bet you wanted me to stop doing boring stuff, so I'm going to be making some more wolves. But they're really deadly, so just stay calm with any wolves. But because if you hit something, they'll kill it. Even if you hit another player that's not on creative mode, they will kill you. I'm going to be finding every single ice glacier and looking for lakes near them. But this isn't any lake, so don't be going around thinking this is a lake. So, I bet you're noticing there's ice. But this time I'm going to be making my own place for ice sapphire dragons. So, and don't tell anybody that I'm doing this, not even Beck Road Drag. Because if you tell Beck Road Drag I'm copying him, don't do it if you're wanting to. bet you're wondering what I'm doing now. So, I'm trying to attract a sapphire ice dragon. And also I'm going to tell my friends about my channel so they're going to start doing this. And definitely don't tell them that I'm making my own dragon place, because I've told them about dragons and they're going to be wanting them all the time. It's really going to be Leo and Albert, and you better do no like, thumbs down, because Albert's going to be asking questions in his videos, and he's going to want you to give info about me. And what I'm doing, so don't comment anything. And they're just going to start doing the things that I don't want them to do. And I really need this to be really big. And draw an ice sapphire dragon. Make the rest. Bet you're wondering what this is. I'm going to do this. And now, end of video. So, make sure you hit the subscribe button with your head and comment down below if you think I'm going to get a sapphire ice dragon on Minecraft, and also comment if you want to do some Minecraft. And bye!